Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your Qatar Airways flight upgraded. The easiest ways is by going to qatarairways.com and log in to your account. Go to Manage Booking. If an upgrade is available, you'll see the option there. Just select it, follow the prompts, and confirm. You can also do this on your phone through the Qatar Airways app. Just go to My Trips, add your upcoming flight, and check if any upgrade offers pop up. Finally, if you've saved Avios points, you can redeem them for a business or first class upgrade. A great way to save money while flying in comfort. And that's it. That's how to get your Qatar Airways flight upgraded. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.